116, and I just got to AutoCon at the LA Convention Center. I'm about to take a stroll through here, check out some of these dope cars, and you guys make sure you subscribe to the channel and let me know what you guys think about these cars in the video. You got a patina truck here. I've actually seen this truck before. It's been on Hoonigan, and it's all turboed out, crazy horsepower. Kind of a sick truck if you're a truck guy. Got a dope Porsche here with a wide body kit on it. The stance on this thing is pretty monstrous. For all you Porsche fans out there, let me get your opinion on this Porsche right here. Let me know what you guys think about this one. See, it's packed up in here, people everywhere, all kind of cars. You've got a lot of JDM, a lot of Subaru, a lot of tuner cars up in here. I know some people don't really care for them, but I'm a fan of all the cars, man. I like to see the creativity. More tuners. Lots of variety here. You got a GT, you got a BMW, Jeep, lifted truck. Lots of cool cars. Got a dope NSX right here. Tired looking at these. Yeah, they actually do have some muscle cars here, so I'm gonna give some video of a few of these muscle cars and mix it up a little bit. So this looks like I want to say a 67 Chevelle, twin turbo, 6 motor work. Thing is just fucking ridiculous. If you look and see how they mounted the turbo and then they cut it to the firewall so that everything just kind of sits perfect. It's got the reinforcement bars going through. The thing's like a work of art. Everything looks like it's all powder coated. You look at the bumpers down to the wheel. Thing is just sick. Door handles are integrated into the actual doors. Custom dash up to 200. Look at that custom shifter in there. The car is just all about the business. Here you have the Ford from the Fast 8 movie. I believe this was the one Paul Walker drove. You look at it, it's just all raw. Pretty cool looking car though. You don't see these on the road. I'm not even sure what kind of Ford this is. It says Escort. A Japanese version, I'd imagine. You got a Koenigsegg CCX. Super rare. This is the predecessor to the Aguera. This is what kicked it all off. This car is amazing. Scissor doors, carbon fiber everywhere. Look at this interior. Interior is sick. If I had a dream car, this is definitely it. I mean, look at the brakes on this thing. Monster. area of the show. All these cars are repping Libertywalk. So you got the Ferrari 488. You got the Porsche. It's got a pretty thick wrap on it. These cars are real popular here today. They brought out a lot of cars. This whole section is Libertywalk. Pretty dope Nissan 240Z at the McGuire's booth. Got the turbo over there tucked. Motor looks real clean. Carbon fiber in the interior. Pretty thick ride. Another dope Libertywalk Porsche. The offset in this thing is ridiculous on the wheels. Interior is super clean. It's a badass Porsche. More Rocket Buddy cars. This car looks like it was at SEMA by the stickers on it. Got a Skyline over here. It's got a nice chameleon paint on it. Pretty sick. So as you can see, there's a lot of cars here, man. A little bit of everything. That's it. That's AutoCon, you guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. I try to get as many cars as possible without getting cars that I've showed in other videos. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and also check out my website, www.bigherc916.com, and holler at me, man. Love to hear from you. Go to muscleupdetailspray.com and pick you up some merch.